हमारे लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स पाने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें ताकि हमारे सभी नोटिफिकेशंस आपको सबसे पहले मिलें। Digimento Education is India's best platform to prepare for GATE, NTA, UGC, NET and PGT Computer Science. ज्यादा जानकारी के लिए हमारी वेबसाइट www.digimento.com पर विजिट करें।
What is GATE? So GATE stands for Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. So this GATE exam is for the candidates who have completed their B.Tech and now you're planning to get some government job or some public sector undertakings in technical discipline. So this GATE examination is conducted by the total 8 institutions jointly, which include IIT Bangalore, IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, IIT Guwahati, IIT Kharagpur. So all of these institutions are a part of the GATE organizing committee, and they organize the GATE exam on behalf of MHRD, that is Ministry of Human Resource Development. So this exam is designed to test how good engineer are you. Do you have good fundamental knowledge of engineering discipline? क्या आपके पास इंजीनियरिंग डिसिप्लिन की एक फंडामेंटल नॉलेज है या नहीं है? दिस इज व्हाट दिस एग्जाम इज एक्चुअली टेस्टिंग. Now, so these are the institutions who have organized this exam in various years. So as you can see, IIT Bangalore organized this exam in 1994, 1990, 1996, 2002, 2008 and so on. So this is telling which organizing institutions have organized this exam in the past years. Now what is the qualifying degree for GATE? Qualifying degree क्या है? Obviously some of you are having the questions, am I eligible to prepare for GATE? क्या मैं GATE exam के लिए eligible हूँ? So this is what we are trying to answer. So here if you have done B.Tech or BE or B Pharma, so basically all of these are 4-year degree, then you're directly eligible to apply for GATE examination. Secondly, if you have done architecture, there is B.Arch, or you have done your BSc research, or you have done MBBS or B Pharma, or for all of these people who have these degrees, they are eligible to apply for GATE examination. Here this PPT presentation is also embedded in the comment section of this video. So if you want to have a complete look at this presentation, you can also download this presentation from the comment section of this video. For GATE Computer Science, the GATE exam is approximately of 3 hours. And the total marks in the question paper is 100. So in those 100 marks, first 15% or you can say 15 marks is reserved for aptitude and reasoning, and the rest 85% or 85 marks is reserved for your technical discipline. So as you can see, the weightage of technical discipline is much higher as compared to the weightage of non-technical discipline. So here in these 85 marks, so total number of questions in the question paper will be 65. So in these 65 questions, you are going to have 10 questions from aptitude and reasoning, and rest of the 55 questions are from technical section. And these 55 questions are further divided into 2 sections. That is 1 mark question. So you will be having a total of 25 questions which are of 1 marks, and rest 30 questions are of 2 marks. And the total cutoff marks for GATE varies from 25 to 28.5. So this is the cutoff marks in the various years. So in 2020, because right now this 2020 examination just concluded and you are preparing for GATE 2021 or GATE 2022. So in 2020, the cutoff marks for general category is 28.5. For OBC it is 25.6, and for SC ST is 19. And these marks are out of 100. That means if you score more than 28.5 marks, then you will be called as a GATE qualified candidate. In the same way, in 2019, the cutoff for general category was 29.5. For OBC category, it was 26.6. For SC ST and PWD candidates, it was 19.7. In 2008, for general category, the cutoff was 25. For OBC category, the cutoff was 22.5, and for SC ST and PWD candidates, it is 16.60. But just qualifying this GATE exam is not enough. So these are the cutoff marks just to tell you that you are GATE qualified. And trust me, approximately 16 to 17% people only able to qualify this cutoff. Out of all the people who are apply for GATE Computer Science, approximately 1 lakh students or 1 lakh candidates apply for GATE Computer Science. Out of those 1 lakhs, only 16%, 16% people qualify these cutoffs. So you can see the examination is quite difficult. Now there are two things here. One is the GATE cutoff and second one is GATE admission cutoff. These two things are very, very different. Because when you give your GATE examination, on the basis of marks you have scored, the GATE committee is going to assign you some ranks. And on the basis of ranks, you are going to apply in various colleges and IITs, and these IITs and colleges will be allocated to you on the basis of your rank. So here you can see what is the GATE qualifying cutoff. So GATE qualifying cutoff is the minimum marks that is required to qualify the GATE exam. But having qualified this minimum marks is not a guarantee that you will get admission in IIT, because approximately 15,000 candidates will be qualifying the GATE cutoff, but only top 1,000 candidates will be getting enrollment in IITs. So your target is to come into those top 1,000. आपका जो target है वो top 1,000 में आने का है, ताकि आप old IITs या फिर NITs के अंदर admissions ले सकें. So here it is when I say GATE admission cutoff, so that means it is the minimum marks required to get admission in an institution. किसी भी institution में admission लेने के लिए जो minimum marks required है उसको हम बोलते हैं GATE admission cutoff. And this is declared by again the same body, but here this GATE cutoff is declared by your qualifying your organizing institution, but this admission cutoff is declared by the institution in which you are taking the admission. For example, if you are applying in IIT Guwahati, so you are going to have a cutoff for IIT Guwahati. So cutoff for most of the institutions they vary accordingly. तो इनकी जो cutoff है वो काफ़ी अलग-अलग रहती है. Next, parameters to decide the cutoff. On what basis this cutoff is decided? So as I said, the cutoff is decided on the basis of the number of candidates who are applying for the GATE exam. Secondly, the number of candidates who have scored particular, who have cleared the cutoff marks. And third, what is the level of examination? What is the level of question paper? Was it easy? Was it difficult? So basically, your GATE qualifying cutoff is dependent on candidates' performance, category of candidates, and the previous year cutoff tracks. But this admission cutoff is dependent on the number of seats. कितनी seats है किसी भी institution में, and number of application received in that particular institution. What are the factors determining the GATE cutoff? किस किस factor पर GATE cutoff determine होती है? Number one is the total number of candidates who are taking the paper. So in 2013, approximately 2.5 lakh candidates appeared for GATE Computer Science. But in 2019 and 2020, approximately only 1 lakh candidate appeared for GATE examination. So it depends what is the total number of candidates who are taking the paper, or total number of candidates who are applying for the examination. And secondly, it is also dependent on the difficulty level of the GATE question paper. How difficult the exam is. Exam कितना difficult आया है उसके basis पर भी ये dependent होता है. Third, what is the number of seats which are available? If you are applying in a certain IIT, for example, IIT Bombay is having the maximum number of seats, which is approximately 120 to 180 for a computer science GATE candidate. So it also dependent on the total number of seats available. So all the IITs, all the NITs, they declare what is the number of seats available in their institution. On the basis of that, again, these cutoff marks will be decided. And last, the category under which the candidate is seeking admission. So is a candidate seeking admission in general category, is a candidate seeking admission in SC/ST category or OBC category. So according to the category, so these cutoff marks will also be decided. Then this is the GATE marks scored versus the ranks. So if you are having GATE marks between 30 to 40, then you are going to have a GATE rank between 5,000 to 10,000. So this is depending on the year, because it also depends on the quality of question paper or the level of question paper. So if the question paper will be difficult, then by scoring less marks you are going to get better rank. But if the question paper is easy, then by scoring more marks you are going to have less rank, right? So here you can clearly see, so this is from the previous year trends. So we have seen the trends from the last 6 to 7 years. So this is from the previous year trends. So we are trying to we analyzed the rank that you will get on the basis of the marks you are having. So for example, if you are having a marks between 40 to 50, so most of the time your rank is between 2000 to 5000. If your marks is between 68 to 72, so your rank will be top 100 to 200. These marks are out of 100. If your marks is above 75, that means you will be in top 50 ranks. तो इसका मतलब है कि आप top 50 ranks पर होंगे. So our aim here in these classes, our aim is to target these top 100 ranks. So as I said, GATE 2020 exam just concluded. So this is the rank of the first, these are the marks of the first 10 rankers of GATE 2020. So in GATE 2020, if you scored 84.67 marks out of 100, then your rank was 9. If you scored 88.67 marks out of 100, then your rank was 1. So you can clearly see how much marks you have to score to get into top 10 ranks. So this is the kind of idea that you can get, that what is the rank you have to get into these institutions. So for example, if you want to get into IIT Bangalore direct admission, so your rank should be less than 100. All India rank should be less than 100. And if you want to get admission into IIT Bombay, then depends on the courses also, because IIT Bombay have different courses. IIT Bombay give a TA course, that is teaching assistant, M.Tech with TA. Then IIT Bombay is also having M.Tech with RA, that is research assistant, and it is also having different courses, right? So on the basis of the course that you are getting, so your rank should be less than 600 to get into IIT Bombay. After this, for IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur and IIT Madras, your rank should be less than 300. But to get a direct admission in any of these IITs, your rank should be less than 100. But in the same way, for some courses, because they also have different courses, they also have courses for TA, they also have courses for RA, as well as they also have courses for MS programs. So depending on what courses you are choosing, your rank will be decided. And if you want to get into IIT Kharagpur, the rank should be less than 600. If you want to get into IIT Roorkee, Guwahati or Banaras Hindu University, that is IIT BHU, then your rank should be less than 1000. And to get into new IITs as well as NITs, your rank should be less than 1500. For government state level colleges, national or state level colleges, so again, as I said, there are two categories of colleges here. One is the central universities, which are owned by the central government, and second is the state universities, which are owned by the state government. To get a college in the central university or state university, you should have a GATE rank which is less than equal to 2500. And for any private college or any state level colleges, the rank should be greater than 2500. So you can see what college you want to get, and according to that you can target your college. So most of the time it is only beneficial to give GATE examination if you are getting a rank which is less than 1000. तो आपके पास जो opportunities है वो काफ़ी अच्छी opportunities होती है. You will be getting all of these top IITs. So this is how your GATE scorecard looks like. So in your GATE scorecard, you will get a GATE score, and this GATE score is decided as a relative marking scheme. So for example, All India rank 1, if he scored 88 marks and he's All India rank 1, then he's going to get a GATE score which is 1000. And on the basis of that, the GATE score of other people will be evaluated. So for example, if he scored 88 marks and then All India rank 2 scored 86 marks, but again, because All India rank 1 is 1000 score, the score for All India rank 1 is 1000. So the rank for All India rank 2 will be less than 1000. So approximately like 900 to 800 like this. So we have two concepts here. One concept is, as you can see, what is the total number of candidates who applied for the exam. So this is actually for mechanical engineering, as you can see. So in computer science also you will get the similar kind of scorecard. Here we have the number of candidates who appeared for the exam. what is the qualifying marks or cutoff for each of these categories. Just for example, in mechanical discipline, the qualifying marks for general category is 32.73. The qualifying marks for OBC is 29.46, and the qualifying marks for SC/ST is approximately 21.82. In the same way, what is the marks this candidate scored out of 100? So this candidate scored approximately 56.32 marks out of 100, and his rank, all India rank, is 6491. So in this manner, you are going to get your GATE scorecard, and on the basis of your score as well as on the basis of your rank, you are going to apply in various colleges or various IITs to get admissions over there. So this another concept here which is called as percentile. So calculating the percentile is very easy. So percentile is basically, it denotes how many people were behind you. I mean to say, let us assume that your GATE rank was 1000 and number of candidates who applied is approximately 1 lakh. So percentile is calculated on the basis of how many candidates were behind you. So it is 1 minus all India rank divided by the number of candidates in that subject multiplied by 100%. So this is basically how many candidates are behind you. For example, if my percentile is 99.5, so that means 99.5% people I've secured marks, or I have secured a rank which is more than 99.5% people. So I am in top 5% people in top 0.5% people in the entire domain, right? So this is how the percentile will be evaluated. Then stipend and tenure. So if you qualify the GATE computer science exam and you take admissions in any of the IITs or any of the colleges on the basis of your GATE rank, and the institution should be AICTE approved, then you will get a stipend which is 12,400 rupees per month, and this stipend is issued by MHRD. So most of the time it happens, like for example in my case, it happens that my M.Tech fees was around 40,000, but the stipend I was getting is approximately 1.5 lakhs per year. So this stipend was given by MHRD so that you can do your masters and you can carry out your research, and this is for 2 years. So because M.Tech is of 2 years, for these 2 years you are going to get stipend as 12,400 rupees every month from MHRD. And in other programs, like you have research assistants, which is RA. So in programs like RA, the stipend could be more, as well as the duration of stipend can also be increased to 3 years. So this is the sample data I have taken from IIT Bombay website, and this is the placement data of 2017 and 18. So in 2017 and 18, in IIT Bombay for M.Tech program, approximately 542 candidates registered for the placements, and here approximately 489 candidates participated in the placements. Registered and participated means, see, all the people who are going to appear for M.Tech, all of them are not going to really apply for the placements. Why? Because some of the people are having plans to do PhD, some of the people are having plans to maybe go out of India and apply for PhDs in other countries, and there are some of them are interested in teaching. So basically everyone who registers for the placement, they does not really appear. So in IIT Bombay in 2017-18 session, so 542 people, 542 candidates, students who were doing M.Tech from there, they registered for the placements, and 489 participated in the placement examination, and 403 candidates got placed, which is approximately 82.41%. तो आपकी जो प्लेसमेंट जो है यहाँ पर 82.41% कैंडिडेट्स की यहाँ पर प्लेसमेंट हुई थी. एंड व्हाट इज so this is the placement percentage. So for M.Tech the placement percentage was 82.41, and this is the department wise placement percentage, because we are mostly concerned about the computer science department. So if I talk about this computer science engineering M.Tech program, in IIT Bombay computer science engineering M.Tech program, total 92 people participated, and here out of them 98.91% people placed. So this is something I've taken from IIT Bombay website, because in M.Tech department they also have other courses. We have M.Tech for electronics and communication, we have M.Tech for mechanical. So this is specifically for computer science discipline, because the salary package in computer science discipline is very high as compared to any other branches, as well as the placements for computer science is also very high. So generally you have an opportunity to get 100% placement. So this is 98.91 is very close to 100%. Only one candidate did not get placed. Maybe it is because the reason he wanted to go into some other company, or he wanted to do his PhD. That is why he could not get placed. Otherwise, most of the candidates get easily placed.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक साइंस के लिए सबसे कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव कोर्सेज डिजीमेंटो एजुकेशन के साथ अवेलेबल हैं। तो आज ही गूगल प्ले स्टोर से हमारे एप्लीकेशन को डाउनलोड कीजिए। लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया है। डिजीमेंटो एजुकेशन NTA, UGC, नेट और गेट की परीक्षा की तैयारी करने के लिए इंडिया का सबसे अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है। स्टडी एनी टाइम, स्टडी एनीवेयर।